Put out some supers here and just let the bees go through them. And we must not have much of a flow because they are in there pretty good going after these things. But had to be cleaned out. But this is the reason I'm running the video here. I was putting the wax out, and I put it on these painter screens, roller painter screens, in different layers. And the idea there is just to let the bees get at a little bit more surface area. And you can do that in a larger scale, but I put it on a big aluminum turkey pan there. This is just a good example, I think, for what I was messing around with. And then they'll chew through that, clean it out, they'll drop on down. And so this is what, 4:30 on Tuesday. It'll be interesting to see. Oh, goodness me, here. Yeah, the robbing's going on. Look at these, they're fighting. They're just going after one another. Oh, no, that's the way it is. But yeah, they're packed in there. I'm just going to let them strip it. Good cloud of bees going nuts, but that's not what I really want to see. I'd rather have them by ignoring it. And this is interesting. Okay, so I got a swarm trap up here. And I'm seeing bees coming in and out of that thing. Okay. Well, they're gathered around it. I haven't looked at this thing in a couple days. I wonder what the heck is going on there. Well, we'll have to open it up and take a look. Yeah.